Hello folks, it's a beautiful Thursday. Yeah, we're about to break down our trade today. Let's see what made us get into this trades. I took two trades today that hit TP, and we're still on some of them that's still running. But let's see what happened and why we took those trades. Now, first of all, on SPX500 on the day time frame, this is how I analyze my trade. Went to the chart. I saw that we have formed a CRT already in SPX. So the candle window was swept. So we're about to target those inside. And on my checklist for entry, first of all, I know the buyers for the trade. This was already a sell bias. Seeing that market has already done this for me already. This was a low here, low, a low, sorry guys, this was a low here, a low, a high, a low, so a bearish supposed to create a high, then another low. So this was my expectation, and it played out exactly as I wanted it to play out. So with this now, I was already expecting a sell, so for that I still went on my NAS 100 to see what I have over there. Same thing, but this time around there was no CRT trade, no CRT confirmation here, but I already know we're bearish, so I'm expecting the same thing. A low here, a high, a low, so a high here and a low. So now going to my SPX, so it's easy for me. Went down to my 1 hour time frame. Coming to my 1 hour time frame, I see that the trade has already mitigated my model 1 entry. So I started looking for ways to enter again. This is the opposite candle, the buy opposite, last opposite candle. I was supposed to be this, but I didn't count this because this like a small candle and it's very distant, far away from price. So this one is the last major one I see. So I marked out this. Price triggered it already before the close of my daily manipulation candle. So now going to my 1 hour, I see that this candle mitigated my 1 hour, created another CRT. So I already know each CRT has another block. So I took 50 minutes and mark out the other block on the 1 hour CRT to enter. This is how I got my second entry. So I went on a 5 minute, I think. Now on the 5 minutes, then I saw it clearly. Then this was the low, the high, the low. So this was the other block, which has been mitigated already, but I already know that price will come to it, so I just entered below here to be safe. And trade moved massively to TP. So it's a clean 1:2.5 arrow to 3 arrow. My broker I entered on 1:2, I think 1:2.5. So good trade. It was just a 1:3 arrow here. Yeah, so on my US30 the same thing happened on my US30. So I think we're bearish. This was a low, a high, a low that was supposed to create another high. It didn't create another high. Instead, it went, created a high, created a low, created a high again, created a low. So definitely we're bearish. I just moved. Same thing, 1 hour. Look at my model 1 entry. Then my model 1 was this candle. This candle here. This was my model 1. So it was easy for me to mark it out. I just marked out this candle here and enter the sell. So it was clean. It was a smooth ride. Yeah, It's another one again. I missed this one and it hurt me so bad because I could have just gotten a 5-hour, 6-hour trade almost at this one. This one was a bit skeptical on how to enter, but I got it accurate because I carefully mapped it out. Now, I saw that this trade was on a buy. We had this. This was a low, a high, a low. Now we started having little pullbacks and up and downs, trying to create a new trend. This is now a low, high, low, high. So and another low. So I was like, are you sure you're not bearish? You're not bullish. So but this market came here. Instead of it to create a new high, then it swept the high, and closed inside. Do you understand? So this is creating a CRT here and also sweeping this high as a key level. It's an old high, make it a key level plus the other block here. So we have a double confirmation on key level here. That means I knew that this would hold. So I went to 1 hour. So we're coming on 1 hour. The trade has already mitigated no, it doesn't though. Well, it was already moving very far away from my model 1 entry, so I was skeptical if it's still going to hold. I decided also to chase it and I removed my order. Immediately removed my order midnight. The price moved, retraced back, triggered my model 1 and sold. It was really crazy. Now me waking up, my price, I wake up around 9 this morning, my price was already here. I couldn't enter anymore. Just had to just let it ride. So that's how I missed this trade. It was a clean 5 to 6 hour trade. I still have other trades playing out already. Like this one was going, it's not really doing so well the way I want it. Okay, this one is doing well. I just hope it hits TP2. This is how I got the entry of the trade. The same way like the other one. This is another block. This is another block. Which price mitigated from already. And this is a low, an old low. Price swept it. And this is a range. Look at this big candle, this candle. Focus on this candle. This candle from up to down here. All these trades are internal candles. All these candles are inside the range. So and this candle, this nice candle came here, swept the low of that candle, put the key level and the same candle and closed back inside. So I already knew it was a CRT, so I just have to wait for a perfect entry. So 1 hour, that's my entry time frame. It has already triggered. I already triggered my model 1 before. That's during the manipulation candle. It already triggered. So after end of the day, I saw the price already triggered and moved. I just had to join. I didn't even wait for it to come back to entry anymore because I know that it will be very difficult because there's no need of it come back to entry anymore. The way the price moved, it's not going to come back. Yeah, it's not going to come. It's already creating highs and higher lows, higher highs. So they have to just join on the movement. Put my stop loss below and join. It's moving well. Now this one is not doing so well because it's been ranging for days. I entered this trade since on Wednesday. This is where we are today. Still at entry. It's just struggling, and this is a very good trade. I don't know why it's misbehaving. On daily time frame, bullish. This is my checklist for entry. Daily time frame, daily trend, bias was bullish. My key level OB, FEG, IFEG, all high and all lows Now this is another block, OB, another block. So my key level. Price tapped into it and closed inside. This was the range. So it was so clean that I did not expect. And 1 hour from the one entry, I went to 1 hour. It was too clean that I didn't expect the trade to be moving like this. So nothing I could do. Now this is it. Now this is it. This is the model 1 candle, the last bearish candle. So price closed above the retraced and tapped into it, created an engagement, tapped into it. I put my stop loss just below last candle. I didn't want to take the whole week because the risk to reward will be very small. It won't be open up to 2 hours. So I was expecting this trade to move smoothly to TP, but it's been stalling ever since then. No volume, no volatility, nothing. On this one, so I think I have another trade here, but I don't know what played out last lot. Okay, I didn't take this one. I didn't take this trade. I didn't take it. I saw it early, but I didn't take it. I don't know what was happening here because this trade wasn't supposed to play out like this, but it already did. This was a bearish trade. We are bearish. I took most trades on this. I think I took this trade. I took this one. No, this one I was betting the same bearish movement. The price just seemed to surprise me the way it happened. So I just left, but I didn't take it though. No, I didn't take it. So that's all. So later I'll be dropping a trade analysis too. So you see what I have already installed. Now I don't think I have to analyze all this spread anymore. I won't be taking any trades anymore till next week. I'll be waiting on this ones to hit TP or hit SL anyway above. But I don't think I'll be taking any trades anymore. So I'll see you guys later and enjoy the rest of your week.